Hey, it's Sam. Welcome to Boring Money, where money should be the only boring aspect of your life. Well, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what the best dropshipping sites are. Stick around because that's exactly what I'm talking about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that'll teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So you're watching this video because you want to know what the best dropshipping sites are. Well, before I even get into that, I want to let you know that by the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a better solution to making money online. And this business model is called affiliate marketing, where you just recommend other people's products and then you collect commission based off of how many sales you make. I have a full video of the pros and cons of dropshipping versus affiliate marketing, and you can watch that here. And before you start your own business online, you can find out which one is the better business model for you. So be sure to check that out if you're really interested in making money online. And when you're setting up a store online, there's a lot of platforms you can use, such as Shopify, which is the most popular one, to create an online store. So Wix also upped their game when it comes to e-commerce. You can build a store with Wix as well. There's other platforms like Weebly and Squarespace, but their e-commerce system isn't as robust as Shopify. And if you have coding experience or you want to save some money, then you could definitely use WordPress. Now let's get into the best dropshipping sites. So when it comes to dropshipping, you want to be able to try to automate the best you can, to try to automate your business running by itself, right? So when you're doing dropshipping nowadays, all you really have to do is just install plugins to your website, and then you can just start dropshipping from there. But there's so many different supplier networks you can choose from now, because dropshipping got really popular, especially after the pandemic happened, right? Everyone wanted to start making money with the comfort of their own home. Dropshipping is one of the bigger ones. And that's why there's a plethora of different apps you can install into your website for dropshipping. And the first one, most popular one that even I used back then, is AliExpress. If you want the highest margins doing dropshipping, then you need to choose AliExpress, because a lot of different items that people buy online are really made in China. And most of the suppliers that use AliExpress to sell their items, they're from China. While you can maximize your profits with AliExpress with a low starting cost, you're going to have to sacrifice the delivery times, because it's going to take at least 2-3 weeks for your item to be delivered. So the next site is Alibaba. Alibaba is also a really big platform where manufacturers and suppliers and wholesalers use Alibaba to sell their products. And most of the suppliers are also based in China as well. But people use Alibaba in a different strategy. Usually when you're using Alibaba, it's going to be a bigger startup cost, where you actually have to buy a huge volume of the supplies, and then you get it shipped to whatever platform you're selling on, namely Amazon. There's a lot of different Chinese products from Alibaba that are sold on Amazon. And you probably have seen this a lot before. People will just private label them by branding their own products that are everywhere. You've probably seen at least a dozen products that are the same exact item, right? And they're just branded differently. They're probably packaged differently too on Amazon. And that's all probably from Alibaba. So that's another site you can use to do dropshipping. So the rest of the lists are going to be similar to AliExpress, where you just install a plugin, and for each item you sold to your client, your customer, it's going to be shipped directly to them from the manufacturing or from the wholesaler or whoever you're using. So the third one is Salehoo. Salehoo is an app or plugin that you can just download and install into your site, and you can use it from there. Select all the products you want from there. And the same thing could be said about Spocket. And depending on what niche you're in, there's going to be a lot of different products for different niches, and some may have more than the other, depending on which platform you use. Here are a couple of more dropshipping sites you can use, such as Modalist and CJ Dropshipping, so check those out too. There are also other reputable dropshipping sites, such as Worldwide Brands, Doba, Sunrise Wholesale, Wholesale to Be, Mega Goods, and Wholesale Central. So these are the top platforms and suppliers that you can rely on when you're trying to do dropshipping. Now, dropshipping can be worth it if you're a beginner with a lot of money to spend. You're gonna need at least $5,000 to $10,000 to start off with. Not only do you need a website, you need to advertise your website too, right? You're gonna have to spend a lot of money on ad campaigns as well, and you're probably gonna use Facebook ads for that. And I can tell you this right now, Facebook ads right now is not the best platform you should be advertising on, because their ads compared to 5-6 years ago, they've skyrocketed. You're going to have to spend a lot of money on ads before you can even make a profit, especially if you're a beginner. So customer service is one of the biggest things of dropshipping. In order for you to find the products that have the highest margin, that pay you the most, is usually products from China. So this is a con because most of the time, delivery from China usually takes at least 2 to 3 weeks for your customer to receive their product. And with the time frame that you're competing with Amazon, like 2-day shipping or maybe even 1-day shipping, that's a big con. You're fighting against Amazon, a giant that's all over the world. You got to keep that in mind. So not only are you competing with Amazon, you're also competing with the suppliers and the manufacturers that put their own products on sale in their own website and Amazon. And most of the time, these suppliers and these manufacturers that are on Amazon can pretty much undercut you easily. Even if your supplier doesn't compete with you, there's other suppliers that probably sell the same product that are competing with you and definitely undercutting you. So making a profit there is kind of hard too. So you got to keep that in mind. Because of that, you need to find reliable suppliers. It's not just suppliers in China that are marketing their own products on Amazon. It's the suppliers in your respective country that also do the same thing because it's business. They want to make money. And you're just pretty much the middle person that's really competing with all these giants that actually can get the products at a way cheaper cost than you. So if you're still on the fence about dropshipping, take a look at affiliate marketing. Starting your own affiliate marketing business costs way less money. The upfront cost for affiliate marketing is only a fraction of what you need to spend on compared to dropshipping. So if you got some value out of this session, please leave a comment down below and let me know. If you want to learn how to start your own online affiliate marketing business, then be sure to click on the link down below because you're going to learn how to do it the right way. There's a lot of crap out there that you want to stay away from because they're going to teach you the simplest way as fast as they can, but you're going to generate possibly zero income or even lose money. If you want to learn how to promote things of value, such as information on teaching people how to solve their problems, whether it's making money, whether it's improving themselves, whether it's guitar lessons or learning how to invest in real estate, be sure to click on the link down below because you're going to get a free 4-day video training series that'll teach you the benefits of affiliate marketing and how you can get started. Imagine being able to provide value to people, to enhance people's qualities of lives, and being able to make money while doing so. It's a really good feeling because all you're doing is recommending products that will solve people's problems. And on top of that, you're collecting commission by helping people solve their problems with these products. You're going to learn how to pick and choose the best products to promote. You're going to learn how to build an email list for yourself and learn how to recommend even more products that will help other people. So with that said, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.